So far, 2023 has been a great year for Shiba Inus, and it looks like the trend will continue. People are scrambling to get their hands on the token. The recent surge in its price has many investors wondering if the worst is over for red candle predictions in the year 2022. In any case, you'll just have to keep watching the rest of the film. Well, hello there. Please enjoy your stay at Wealthy Coin. Get your fill of Shiba Inu currency here. Then, let's start with the good news. During that span of time, the cost of a Shiba increased by nearly 20%. To put it another way, this is a level of performance that SHIB has not shown for a very long time. And it's one of the reasons why some investors are starting to think we could be in for a bullish run. And the fact that this 10% increase occurred in only one day preceded a 12% increase the following day makes this story much more intriguing. Since it began production in 2023, SHIB has seen very stable levels. This is cause for celebration on its own, but given the token's precipitous decline after the FTC's fall, it's even more cause for jubilation. As of right moment, there's a strong possibility that SHIB will shed the zero it gained after the FTC's fall. That decline is imminent, and subsequent drops to zero are, of course, always welcome. Meanwhile, it appears that whales' appetites for SHIB have returned. They've been buying up trillions of SHIB tokens recently, making it the most actively traded cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency Twitter buy tracker Whale Alert announced on its platform that an unidentified wallet had acquired over 3.3 trillion SHIB tokens. In addition, this unidentified wallet is a brand new wallet. Apparently, all 3.3 billion Shiba Inus who were relocated yesterday ended up in a vacant house if your current theory holds. Since the moment of the transfer, a new Shiba Inu whale has emerged, holding $30,458,751 worth of the leading meme token. The asking price for this piece of SHIB has gone up by almost $1 million since last we checked. However, this acquisition is only one of many that have occurred since the new year. If you look through Stats' Twitter feed, you'll see that whales have been buying up massive amounts of SHIB parts, especially in the last week. Even larger sums have been spent, with most purchases costing in the trillions of SHIB, including the whale purchase. It's easy to deduce that these purchases are what led to the current increase in SHIB prices. The motivations for the whale acquisitions, on the other hand, may be less obvious. Why have so many people recently been buying such significant quantities of SHIB tokens, some of them for the first time? Now, there might be a few explanations for that. Some of them may have even been prompted to buy SHIB by the price increases, which would have led to even higher prices and more whale buying. But what do you think in the context of such massive SHIB buying? Binance just did something that has raised eyebrows. 4 trillion SHIB were sent to the vessel by the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world. Give up DEX in exchange for staking for an unspecified amount of time. When those tokens were staked, the total value of that SHIB portfolio was more than $36 million. Before this, though, they gambled away nearly 12.6 trillion SHIB tokens. What is happening? Then, to begin, please observe. Your sage told you that Binance is one of the largest holders of Shiba Inus, with an estimated 83 trillion SHIB valued $738.5 million. Many believe that Binance has invested 4 trillion SHIB tokens in the hopes of receiving a steady stream of interest. To say, instead of the tokens sitting inert for months, this would generate additional cash for the trading side. Do you agree that this makes a great deal of sense? It's the same as not doing anything with your money instead of investing it. Instead of keeping your money in a savings account or a wallet, it is preferable to invest it somewhere it can earn you money. Therefore, it seems that making a profit may be a reason why Binance staked all that SHIB. Despite the fact that Binance has not said why it did so, the upcoming launch of Shibarium is another factor that has been brought up. Before we get into that, though, you should know that this channel gives away 100,000 SHIB every day to viewers who enter the giveaway. If you want to participate, all you have to do is subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment on it. To Shiba Inu, best wishes. Additionally, a subscription service is now available on this channel. By joining, you gain entry to a closed community. Join me in a chat on crypto, jewels, money, and success of your game. You can join by clicking the join link. You probably know by now that the release of Shiba Dream is expected to have a profound effect on the value of SHIB. The Layer 2 solution is expected to increase demand for SHIB and increase earnings from SHIB, which should drive up the price. That and the fact that, barring a SHIB, is almost ready for takeoff. Binance seems to be making moves to secure an early position in the market. Binance has already put up significant collateral, so it stands to gain from the business, and its holdings in the company will grow substantially with each token price increase. Thus, it stands to reason that Binance would benefit from any price increase brought about by the introduction of SHIB area. Binance is the only cryptocurrency exchange that we are aware of that has staked any of its SHIB holdings. Nonetheless, it is not the only dependable cryptocurrency trading platform. If you've been keeping up with the videos on this channel, you'll know that after the fall of the FTC, many cryptocurrency projects disclose their reserves to reassure their customers. This is how we learn that many major cryptocurrency exchanges are trading SHIB. There is the Indian Ways, Binance, Coinbase, and Crypto.com. Inrix has disclosed that it owns $286 million in SHIB, which is a cryptocurrency developed by Cyrix. As the release of SHIB draws near, several of these other crypto exchanges may elect to bet their SHIB to. At last, let's survey the entire cryptocurrency exchange sector. After the first agenda consultation with investors in 5 years, on December 14, the Financial Accounting Standards Board reviewed new accounting and disclosure criteria for firms holding crypto assets and financial statements, signaling that the United States intends to get very serious about cryptocurrencies in 2023. The suggested recommendations are expected to be made public in the first half of 2023. The SEC has recently handed out a template letter to businesses that they provide updates on the state of the cryptocurrency markets in their SEC filings. This comprises management's analysis, risk considerations, and a summary of the company's operations. Many participants in the cryptocurrency and financial services industries, according to legal experts, could be impacted by the developments. Mark Kornfeld, a shareholder at Buchanan and Gersol, an attorney who focuses on securities and financial fraud, claims it will have far-reaching long-term effects on the economy as a whole and the cryptocurrency business in particular. According to what Kornfeld told Cointelegraph, first, the Commission will be aggressively monitoring and doing full-blown regulatory examinations of thousands, if not more, conducting business in and around the space.